Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Google Pixel Fold, my first ever foldable device here on Team My Project 13. And I'm super stoked to have it, start using it, and share the reviewing process with all of you. So please, down below in the comment section, share with me what you would like for me to bring to you, bring to the table when it comes to the Google Pixel Fold. I'll tell you, man, it feels super solid. There is some good weight to it. I want to treat it delicately, but I know I don't have to. It's just because I've never owned a smartphone like this. And I got to tell you, man, this is just gorgeous. There's definitely a crease there. Let's bring that up. That brightness. Get into the fold with the fingerprint reader, which is on the side, but it doesn't dip in like what you would get with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. You can see how that dips in a little bit there. Now the power button does push in. You can hear the clicking there. Pushes in and comes out. But it's a little flatter on that fingerprint reader, and you can see the crease on this device, which is about the same as what we got going on with the Google Pixel Fold. But on the Fold here, that power button, which does go in and comes out, is rounded. It's not flat. It is what it is. No big deal. Got the hinge area. It just feels really good. Really, really good. I love the obsidian color. Originally, I wanted the porcelain, but that wasn't going to ship out to me until latter part of July. So I canceled that order and went with the obsidian. And that read the 27th, 28th as far as delivery. Then it changed 29th through July 2nd. And then it came back to the 27th, 28th. And, well, here it is. And I'm just super stoked to have it Wednesday, June 28th. Wow. As far as it being completely flat, I have to bend it down just a little bit, but actually, yeah, that's pretty flat. For those of you that are wondering. All right, let's go ahead and check out the display on the inside. Power button. Fingerprint reader is fast. Wow, it's really fast. Those are loud. You let me know what you think, man, but they are pretty loud. Wow. Yeah, I can't do that anymore, man. I don't got the neck, the back, or the legs for that. Crazy. All right, so we can go back. Got to get used to that. We do have some bezel all the way around. I do enjoy having a little extra bezel, so my thumbs aren't going to get in the way of what I'm watching. What I've noticed with the Fold devices and other smartphones that for other foldables from other companies, when you have a display that comes closer to the edge, your thumbs can get in the way. Also, when it is shut, you're going to get some lint dust in that area there. And if the display comes really close to the edge there, you could damage that display. So honestly, I think it's just a lot better to have a little bezel. Again, to have your thumbs like right here, for me at least, I use my thumbs right here. Again, it'll keep a lot of crap right on the edge without actually getting on the display. So for me, that's a plus. You can see at the bottom, you have a mic there, your SIM tray there, your speaker, USB Type-C charging port, and your 2 mics there. Of course, your camera's on the rear. You got a camera right here. You got your other mic right there, your 5G antenna, and you have your top speaker there. And that is super, super cool. And there's the apps. Come down, and you get into your settings, just like any other Google smartphone. Basically, this is going to be a pure stock Android experience. If you open it up, you'll see all the settings show up here. And if you tap on apps, it'll bring up all the apps over to your right. So that's cool. Now, if I want to just kind of swipe up here and go into the apps and press and hold, drag over my Google feed, I can still be in my apps and check out my Google feed. And that's pretty cool to utilize that. I'm going to see how often I really utilize that, how much time I actually spend with the inside display of the Google Pixel Fold in comparison to how much time I spend on the main cover display here at 5.8 inches. And what I love about this display is it reminds me of the old school aspect ratio of 16.9 devices that we had back in the day. That's really what I love about this outer. It's just wide. That's super cool. It's not slim. Now, I'm not going to get into a lot of other specs. I'm going to take a few pictures and add those to this video so you can check those out, and wait for your feedback down below in the comment section. And I know where I'm going to start, but I want to know what you want too, and hopefully I can get to all of that. By now, the specs are out there. I mean, we know we have the Gen 2 Tensor chipset powering this device, performance, functionality, everything should be top notch. I just got to get used to using what is going to be basically a tablet on the inside of this device. So, yeah. So that's it. Okay. I'll wait for all of you, and I'll start taking a few pictures. And so check those out. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Google Pixel Fold. Appreciate all of you. God bless you. I'm out.